Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your YouTube channel in 2019 permanently. Now first of all, go into your YouTube studio and then pretty much click on settings, which is right there. Then next up you want to click on channel and then click on advanced settings. Then right there you can click on delete or hide channel, then click on that. Then right there you actually need to sign in to your account. So let me do that. And then next up, you can actually go ahead and delete your YouTube channel. Now I'm Dutch, so this is actually in Dutch right now. Let's see if I can actually change this to English. No, I can't. But this pretty much means delete your YouTube content. And then right there, this says I want to hide my channel. And this right there says that I want to permanently delete my content. So once you click on there, you can actually fix this. And then if you click right there, it should say delete my content, and once you do that, you will actually delete your channel, all your videos, your playlists, your subscribers, your subscriptions to other channels, your messages, all of that. So click on that button right there, fix this, and then you can actually delete your YouTube channel permanently in 2020. If this helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. I would appreciate that, and then yeah, I hope I see you sometime soon. Peace out.